Hi, my name is Sam. Let's learn together.
The weather is so good. I'd love to do something special today. Great idea. Let's go to the amusement park. Oh, we need to buy 2 tickets.
2 tickets, please.
What would you like to try, Sam? Where shall we start?
Bumper cars. Bumper cars. Carousel. Water slides. Roller coaster. Roller coaster. Trampoline. Haunted house.
Sam, I'm hungry. Let's go and eat. What do you want to eat?
Popcorn, candy floss, and soda.
Do dogs eat this? Maybe we should order you a hot dog?
Hot dog. No, thank you. Magician. Ferris wheel. See you in the next episode. If you liked the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's learn together.